The next question now. What is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? Give any one example. The question is, what could be the HCF of two consecutive number? What is the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive means line wise, right? So any two line wise number, if you take, suppose in a line wise number we are taking 5 and 6, both are consecutive na, line wise. So what could be the HCF of this 5 and 6? First you find the HCF of 5. We know it is a prime number, so HCF will be, 5 will be the only factor. 6, 2, 3s are 6, then 3, 1. Now the factors of 5 are 5 and 6 are 2 and 3. Is there anything in common, both of them? We do not have anything in common, na? Only one is there in common. So any number, we do not have anything in common, only one is common, because here is 1 and here is also 1, that is 1 1 like that. So the common here is only 1. Okay, so when two numbers are consecutive, their HCF will always be 1. Understood why? Because the common factor between them always is 1. This also you can give in an example. If you can see any other two numbers, that should be line wise. So if you take 7 and 8, find their HCF. 7 is a prime number, so 7 only will come. 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Again, when you will write the factors of 7 is 7 only, and 8 is 2, 2 and 2. What is common here? Only this 1 is common, right? Only the 1, and HCF here also will be 1. What is the HCF? The common one in both the given number. Common is only 1. If here also you will see there is 1, here also if you see there is 1. So according to the question, what is the HCF of two consecutive number? The HCF of two consecutive number is always 1. Okay, why 1? Because the common factor between them is only 1. Question 8 we will move forward to. Determine if 25,110 is divisible by 45. We are asked that, is this number divisible by 45? So for the 45 rule, the given number should be divisible by 5 also, and should be divisible by 9 also, keep in mind. Okay, now we know that 25,110 is divisible by 5 for sure, because its ones place is 0, right? And this particular number is divisible by 9 or not? How to say? 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 8, plus 1 9. So yes, this number is divisible by 9 also. Therefore this given number is divisible by 5, and this given number is divisible by 9 also. Therefore yes, the given number is divisible by 45. Understood why it is divisible by 45? Once again I'll tell you. Any number, when asked that divisible by 45 or not, keep in mind that 45 is that number which is divisible in the table of 5 and 9. 45 is that number which is divisible in the table of 5 and 9. Therefore we will check the asked number in 5 and 9. For 5 we know ones place is 0, therefore divisible by 5. And for 9 we will check it, 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, it will come 9. So yes, divisible in 9. So if the given number is divisible in 5 and 9 both, your answer will be yes, the given number is divisible by 45 also. So question number 7 and 8 are also done. Next clip I'll explain you 9 and 11.